as animal, Neosonish as farmer, Anthony Angin as child 1, Adinad UK as child 2, Razil Hami as factory owner, and Shivanya Shibu as Mother Earth. Long ago, nature lived in peace. Trees danced with the wind, rivers flowed with clean water, animals lived freely, and humans lived in harmony with nature.
I give oxygen to breathe and shade to rest. I have stood here for many years. Children used it to play under me. Birds built nests on my branches. I am happy. Yes, your branches are my home. Your leaves protect my babies from sun and rain. I bring life to farms and villages. My plants can help crops grow. My water is crystal clear. Dear river, your water helps my crops grow. Because of you, my family has food.
But slowly, humans became careless.
I must increase production. Where can I throw this waste? Oh, into the river. No one will notice. Why are you hurting me? My water is becoming poisonous. People are cutting my brothers and sisters for buildings and roads. I feel weak. Without us, the air will become dirty. I am losing my forest home. Where will I live? Cities are coming into our jungle. My nest has fallen. My babies are homeless. What is happening to our beautiful nature?
The weather is changing. It is too hot. Sometimes floods, sometimes droughts.
This is because we are destroying nature. My children, I am here. I give you air, water, food, and chat. But you repay me with pollution and destruction. We are sorry, Mother. If rivers die, farming will die. If trees die, nature will die. I did not think about the future. I only thought about the profit. I am sorry. It is not too late. We can still change.
Let us plant more trees. Let us save water and keep rivers clean.
Let us reduce plastic and recycle waste. If you protect us, we will protect you. If you keep me clean, I will give you your water. If you save trees, I will have a home again. If forests are saved, we will live in peace. My children, with small actions can bring big change. Save nature, save earth, save life, save future.
And so, humans learned an important lesson. When we protect nature, nature protects us.